What's up, guys? Thank you so much for joining me here today. I am your dating coach, Annabella Rose, right back from karmalifestyles.com. And today, I have something epic planned out for you. Oh yes, I get so much love from all you guys, and it makes me kind of look out for ways that I can be better and also make you better in your dating game. So, ask yourself this. Do you feel intimidatingly beautiful women cannot chase you? Can you become irresistible to women without changing your physical looks? What makes women chase after guys? Is it your attitude towards women? Is it a barrier to becoming irresistible to them? How long will it take you to transform into a woman magnet? These are just some of the questions that I often get asked from you guys. Now, it would be amazing if I can get you the woman of your dreams that you want without running like a marathoner, chasing after her till the end of the earth. Most guys know that when you discover the art of making women chase you, you found pretty much the Holy Grail of dating. You don't have to deal with last-minute withdrawals, being led on a crazy goose chase, and led down a path that so many women lead men down. However, making girls chase you remains like a beautiful myth to most guys. However, it doesn't have to be that way anymore. I am going to be hosting a live webinar this month on the best ways to get a girl to chase you and become irresistible. I've been working on this subject for quite a while now, and as you know, I did write an ebook on this topic, and I sold quite a few copies. Yes! Now, I've been researching the difference between men being chased by women and those that aren't. I went a little notch higher to find out what makes men irresistible to women. Now, the data that I got was put into a kind of test, and the results were rather impressive. I've had a significant impact on the personality of the guy I tested with and their dating lives. Now, I know women love the thrill that comes with being the prey. It's more exciting when a guy chases us, and we have to play games that we do. It's like this twisted fantasy that all women have. However, the modern dating scene has really changed things up. With dating apps, perfect filters of photos in social media, and people chasing the paper, girls are given a run around for their money. We cannot sit on the sidelines and watch other women getting away with all the best men. That gives the guy an advantage because you can make women chase after you like crazy. However, you have to be the best for what women want to chase after you. So, what do women secretly want from guys? What turns her on like crazy? What does a woman decide you're worth chasing? What triggers last-minute withdrawal in women? You can get all of the answers and so much more from my upcoming webinar. It will be absolutely free and the registration is ongoing. Now, if you haven't registered for it yet, I'm going to put a little cheeky link below so that you can book your space. You know you can never go wrong with me as your guide and your dating guru and dating coach. So follow the link below and register for the free upcoming webinar. So, sideline, back to the juice. We want the same things that everybody wants when they're on the dating scene. To feel alive. That's why most women chase after bad boys. Even though it most likely ends in tears, the bad boy's dark triad traits will be the topic of keen interest because bad boys have something that almost all women want. What men don't realise is that women, including all the good girls, have a dark side too, that they play with in their fantasies. They have a degree of deviousness and rebellion in their bones. In my webinar on the best ways to get a girl to chase you and become more irresistible, I'm going to explore the female dating psychology. What hidden desires do women have where they are chasing guys? How can you inspire those desires in a woman? In my journey as a dating coach, I've come to learn that we are all after the same things, with just a little touch of spice that makes you unique. Silent laws and guides everything in the universe. Some men seem to have it all. while some seem to have none. You have seen all over the place beautiful women dating average-looking guys. Take our A-list celebrities, for example, each with equal levels of fame. And you look at this couple and wonder, what type of love potion has he used on her? Well, there's no love potions. They're just familiar with this secret, the secret that governs attraction. Now, I'm going to let you know on that secret during my webinar. The ultimate result is that you will become irresistible to women. That brings me to what you should expect after this upcoming webinar. You will become a woman magnet. That means you'll have so many options that you can choose a woman that you really want and desire. I'm always against men and really anyone settling for someone of the opposite sex who are just available, because that is the basis of an unhappy and mediocre relationship. You will become a Casanova. You'll be able to approach women online and offline and take them home without having to build a strong emotional attachment first. You will develop your dating skills. You'll understand the dynamics and the female perspective on dating. You're going to grow your confidence. When you can get any woman that you want, you become so confident in your game and what you have to offer someone. And that, gents, is really just the tip of the iceberg of all the benefits that you will get from signing up for my free webinar. Now, I have a track record of giving you a lot of solutions and guiding men towards becoming their very best versions, and this webinar is simply no different. I'm going to all come in guns blazing to make you irresistible, so you better be prepared. You guys know how to guilt trip me each and every time I do hold a webinar. You rush to your last minute registration, and when the spaces are filled, you get into my inbox, and I always fall for it. But let's all just register early this time, all right, guys? Start signing up now so that you're not going to be left out. We have all of our traditional live chat Q&A sessions at the end of the webinar as well, where you can speak to me in person. This is where I'm going to meet all of the naughty and charming men that I'm sure you are. So bring your questions on what you want me to help you with on our topic, and I'm going to help you cover. Follow the link below to register for the free upcoming webinar. That, guys, is all from me, and I will see you at the webinar.